Hi guys, this is gonna be the challenge where I where I do funny sounds. So my first sound
I
is
can't join because I don't have any funny sound.
My sister don't have funny sound. The
Only
first
with the guitar.
sound is kinda sound like a hyena. You laughing, thanks. Next one sounds kind of like an evil witch laughing. Okay, the next one is let's see, Donald Duck. That was Donald Duck. The next one, I don't know what this sounds like, but hold up.
It sounds like a different note.
Hold up. Hold up. Oh yeah. Oh, it sounds like I'm slurping, but
I just got one weird noise. I just got one.
that's not weird.
How's it?
Not weird. Used to it. Next one. It's kind of like an elephant.
That's not weird.
Yeah, it's not weird, but I can do all kinds of different sounds. And me and my friend, we made fun. That sounds like Chucky. They kind of sound like him, but they don't. So, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed my video, but it's not the last of me. Oh, and yeah, and subscribe and comment which one was funnier. Bye, guys.